Hello Maths fans, and we're back here with another Maths Watch help clip, this time for a Year 10 assignment set for the week beginning 27th of April. And this is question 27, it's a recipe ratio. We're still on ratio here. So it gives some ingredients for making truffle for 4 people. Kevin is going to make a truffle for 3 people. How much does each ingredient does he need? Right, normally what I would do here, I put my working oil here. So if I want to find 3 people, there's lots of ways to do this. Is it a calculator? Well, it's non-calculator here. So I'm going to go with a non-calculator method to make this as easy as possible. You could use fractions as well in this way, but I'm just going to show what I'd normally do here. I'm looking, if that's for 4 people, I'll quickly look at it and think, well, hold on. Could I work out how much that is for 1 person straight away? Well, that means I'd have to divide each ingredient by 4. That works, that works, that works. And that works as well, actually. Then they're not too bad, are they? So I'm going to write 1 person. And divide by 4 to get to 1 person. All of those ingredients divide by 4. That gives me 30 grams, 2 fingers. What's that? 400 with 20, so that looks like 105 millilitres of custard. And 180, well, 4 times 40 is 160, and that gives me 20 left, so 45 grams. Let me just check that. 4 times 40 is 160. Yeah, that works well. Okay, so for 3 people, what I'm going to do now is times by 3. Now you might remember this from scale factor work. It's the same idea. How do you get from 4 to 3? You know, we'll come back to that in a minute, but this is what you could do here. Anyway, we take each of these times by 3, 90 grams, 6 fingers. 3 times 105 is 315 millilitres. And 3 times 45, well 3 times 40 is 120, 3 times 5 is 15, add them together, 135 grams. So those are your amounts. Now I just said, didn't I, it's a bit like we did similar triangles. You could use the scale factor method here. I've got for 4 people, and I want it to become for 3 people. What do I have to do? Remember, we always go through 1 to get 3, so I divide by 4 and times by 3. So that's actually a scale factor of times divide by 4 times by 3. So if I times each of those by 3/4 using a fractional method, just show one there, times 3/4. That's 120 over 1. Cancellation straight away. Okay, we can see that there's 1, 4 and 4. 34s in 120. No more cancellation. 30 times 3 is 90. So that method can be used there as well if you see it in the same way. Because that is ratio as well. Similar triangles are ratios, aren't they? The same sides. Okay, I hope that helps. We can see the link there, and I'll see you next time.